Hi there, this is the Vistaline slide and turn system. It's a fully aluminium product. The big thing nowadays with these doors, these grand door designs, is either going for a sliding door or a bifold. This is an alternative which does give the best of both. The Vistaline is particularly slim compared to a bifold, for example, and matches the profile of a slider. The difference being, though, compared to a bifold, each individual pane is independent. The other advantage of this product is it comes as triple glazed as standard, so the U value is much lower. You're coming around 1.0. That compares to many bifolding doors that are normally around a 1.6 U value. So you're getting that benefit of thermal efficiency and a slim line product. So to open up the door, simply open the master handle like this. There's a gap that opens up, which is ideal for ventilation as well. But if you just move the door across a little bit and then turn it, and that is your master door opened up. You then slide these panels along until you get right to the end, and then you can turn them as so. And that's it. You can enjoy the wide opening area that you have.